Good day everyone. I am Darlene Amadeo from Bsed FILIPINO2A and I am here to discuss the 10 ICT terms. First is the Internet. The Internet is a global computer network providing a variety of information and communication facilities consisting of interconnected networks using standardized communication protocols. The guide is also available on the Internet. There are four uses of Internet. First, uses of the Internet in education. Second, use of the Internet for shopping. Third, digital transactions. And the fourth is the tour and travel. The EPDF. The EPDF or the Encapsulated Portable Document Format, EPDF file is an encapsulated portable document format used to store documents. EPDF file is obsolete file format but still viewable in the ImageMagick. EPDF enables you to edit, browse, or view data set from a command line. Invoke browse instead of edit, use view mode, and save, cancel, and disable. The gamification. Gamification is adding game mechanics into non-game environments like a website, online community, learning management system, or business intranet to increase participation. The goal of gamification is to engage with consumers, employees, and partners to inspire, collaborate, share, and interact. The Android. Android is a mobile operating system based on a modified version of the Linux kernel and other open-source software designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. The animations. Animation is a method by which still figures are manipulated to appear as moving images. In traditional animations, images are drawn or painted by hand on transparent sheets to be photographed and exhibited on film. Today, most of animations are made with computer-generated imagery or the CGI. Computer animation can be very detailed 3D animations, while 2D computer animations, which may have the look of traditional animation, can be used for stylistic reasons, low bandwidth, or faster real-time renderings. Other common animation methods apply a stop-motion technique to 2 and 3-dimensional objects like paper cutouts, puppets, or clay figures. The digital education. Digital learning is any type of learning that is accompanied by technology or by instructional practice that makes effective use of technology. It encompasses the application of a wide spectrum of practices, included blended and virtual learning. Some examples of digital education: the brochure, contact, and the application. The digital learning. Digital learning is a learning method based on the use of new digital tools to enable learners to learn in a different way, whether it be face-to-face, distance learning, asynchronous or synchronous, or blended learning. It is therefore not simply a question of digitizing educational content, but of a set of educational methods. Some examples of digital learning. The virtual classroom. Based on the principle of traditional synchronous training, virtual classes allow trainers and learners to be brought together in the same virtual place, for example, during a video conference. Next is the MOOC. Massive Open Online Course. The best-known teaching method, it is based on the use of a flat platform for training through videos, downloadable documents, quizzes, and etc. Next is the SPOC, the Small Private Online Course. Similar to the MOOC, This interactive training course has the particularity of being aimed at a smaller group of learners, which encourages interactivity with the trainer and ensures that learners are followed up. Mobile learning. As the name suggests, this involves training from your smartphone, a practice particularly suited to the anytime, anywhere, anyplace learning experience. The social learning. Social and collaborative learning. Based on the exchange and sharing of experience within a group, this more informal and collaborative learning method is also used in a complementary way in the context of hybrid or face-to-face training. Adaptive learning. This concept refers to the ultra-customization of certain training courses to adapt to the needs of each learner, specific modules and workshops, adapted training courses, and etc. Smartphones. A smartphone is a cellular telephone with an integrated computer and other features not originally associated with telephones such as an operating system, web browsing, and the ability to run software applications. Collaborative. A collaborative or cooperative learning approach involves pupils working together on activities or learning tasks in a group small enough to ensure that everyone participates. Pupils in the group may work on separate tasks, contributing to a common overall outcome, or work together on a shared task. Collaborative activities are any activities where learners are working cooperatively in pairs or groups. For example, pair or group discussions, completing shared tasks in a pair or group, or matching, sorting, or ranking. The collaboration tools. Collaboration tools allow students, instructors, and teaching assistants to exchange resources in a number of different ways, depending on what is needed for a particular task. Tools include document and resource sharing and collaboration, as well as web conferencing. Examples of collaborative tools are Edmodo, Google Drive, Padlet, Skype, Microsoft Teams, and Zoom. And the last ICT terms is an online hub, called a forum, where users post messages to hold a discussion around a given topic. In educational contexts, online discussion forums are typically housed within a learning management system. There are four types of an online hub called a forum. First is the GHF forum. The GHF forum is a forum dedicated to families who have gifted gifts. It teaches them how to educate a gifted child at home, whether they are homeschooler, a hybrid schooler, or a public schooler. The next is the Reddit. Reddit is both an online forum and a global social media network. Passionate users devote themselves to the conversation, with the best answers receiving an upvote. The platform itself is one giant online forum with thousands of divisions into specific topics, aka subreddits. The conversation can be everything and anything, from celebrities to hobbies to religion. The next is the Quora. Quora is another massive online forum dedicated exclusively to questions. Users can ask questions like, is 35 too late to go back to school? Or what's something you've learned that you wish for knew sooner? It's a lot of fun and easy to fall down the rabbit hole of the fascinating stories users share. Adobe. As we mentioned above, Adobe makes a suite of creative products dedicated to photography, video, audio, and more. The products are extensive but also complicated, meaning that users are constantly learning and the product is constantly evolving. The online forum creates the support users need to get the most out of their product. Again, this is Darlene B. Amadeo from Bsed Filipino2A, and this is the end of my reporting about the ICT terms. Thank you for watching.